Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we met Ethan, the new trainee at Sunnybags, and we have learned how to open Excel, explore the interface, and save our very first workbook. Now, let's start building Ethan's cookie sales tracker. The first thing we will do is to create a title row, so that it's clear what this sheet is all about. Click on the very first cell, A1, and type Ethan's Cookie Sales Tracker. To make it look professional, let's format it. Select the row, make the text bold, increase the font size, and add a nice background color. This way, our tracker has a clear title at the top. Next, let's decide what information Ethan should record every time he makes a sale. After some thought, here is what we will include: date of sale, customer name, customer email, boxes sold, total amount collected, payment method like cash, card, or mobile apps such as Google Pay. Now let's enter Ethan's very first customer. On 25th of August 2025, Arjun sold 20 boxes of cookies to David. He paid $50 in cash. As soon as you type it in, you might notice something. Some entries don't fit in the cell, and they look cut off. That's because the column is not wide enough. To fix this, simply move your mouse to the edge of the column header and double-click. Excel will automatically resize it to fit the longest text. Or you can do this for all the columns at once by selecting them together. And that's it. We now have the basic structure of Arjun's sales tracker, with a title, column headers, and our very first entry. In the next part, we will see how to make this tracker more organized and professional by turning it into a proper Excel table. See you in the next part. Bye.